Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. First of all, you have to click on this three dot, click on it, go to in settings, go to in privacy. In privacy, you have to scroll down and here you will see one permission called camera. So you have to enable camera permission to get face tracking on Roblox. So basically allowing camera to on Roblox, uh, allow Roblox to use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So you just need to click on this toggle button to enable it. Once you enable, this green button will get green, and it means that it is enabled, and also it indicates that if there is a green dot in the game, it means Roblox is using your camera. So once you enable it, just go back to the game and open any game that you want. Now once you're in the game, guys, to enable face tracking, you just need to open any game or just open any game that supports camera as communication. Now just to enable face tracking, you just need to click on this video icon here. Let me mark with the marker. This I'm talking about this video icon. So when you click on it, the face cam will be open here, as you can see, and this green dot indicates that Roblox is using your camera. So now if you move your head, it will start tracking your movement. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.